Okay, here we go. I got this from Just 5. Hey! Welcome to my channel. This is Donna. Today we're gonna unbox my new boots. I got this from Just Fab. Size is 5.5 and here's got my new own pair. The color is caviar black. The sign is leopard. Look really nice. It's really nice to wear to parties or casual wear or occasions. Yeah. This is the lace. It has a gold and so beautiful. Since my hair is long, I'm planning to trim it or cut it and maybe thinking about getting some curtain bangs on the side so I'll have a style or maybe new look for this year. Yeah, that'd be great. First off, you're gonna need a new pair of scissors or just the sharp ones because we don't want the ugly looking haircut. And this one is optional if you have like, I don't know, it's like to level okay, now we need to section the hair. Okay, 3. sure it's in the middle. There. There's like changes here, and let's move on to the right side. So we're done with the bangs, guys. Let's move on to the trimming. So for trimming, we're going to need 2 rubber bands and a tie, and section the hair into 2 like this. So we're gonna tie it. Using the rubber band, gonna tie the lower part. Should be like this. So once you're done, you're gonna drag it down to the desired length you want to. You want to cut it 1 inch or 2 inches. It's up to you. For me, I want it to be like 2 inches. Okay, once you're done, you gotta cut it in the upper part where the rubber band is. So there, cut it on this part. Okay, here we go. Here's my hair. That's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye!